Kei aku hiru hāpai, tēnā koutou katoa. Well whānau, we are nearing the end of our 2023 year. And looking back on what was such an amazing year, I am so proud of our whānau who continue to live the values of our tupuna, supporting and loving one another whilst protecting and restoring our whenua and wairarohe. The summer break is now upon us. Our tamariki and mokopuna have finished kura by now, and I'm sure they're out there lapping up the start to raumati and the summer holidays. I hope you all get a chance to take a well-deserved whakatā this summer and enjoy each other's company. My whānau and I will be stuck together like paua, and I really hope that my mokopuna stick to me this summer. I'm so looking forward to having such quality time with them over the break and doing things like being outdoors at the beach, out on the whenua, and just being whānau. Lastly, may you all have a happy and safe Christmas and New Year's, wherever you may be. Please look after one another, look after your whānau, look after our whenua, and look after our taiao. Ko tō manua, ko tōku manua, ko tōku katoa ki tōku iwi, ka nui te aroha kia koutou katoa.